Okay, so today I'm in the car and I'm going to unbox a keyboard fidgets. So let's start. Oh, okay. Get this off. I have literally wanted one of these for a very long time because they started to go popular for just a little bit. So yeah, my mom got me one. Sorry, I'm in the car and we live in a really hilly town. I mean, like, there's like hills everywhere and they had to build roads over it because there's no better place to build them. It's crazy. Okay, I can finally open it. I've been waiting all... Whoa. Anyways, I'm waiting all day to do this, so... Oh my gosh, I accidentally just clicked it. Okay. So we have a black and clear bear one. So you look at it, you can see there are little bear ears on it, if you look really carefully. The opening. Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's take out this one. It's the black. Gotta have the black. We're also going to get out the clear. Okay. Let's start off with the clear. I love that sound. The keys are not... they're not removable. Are they able to come apart? No, they're not. Okay, they're not able to come apart, unfortunately. The black one looks cool. What if I say both? Is this one lighting up? I swear I just saw it. Oh my gosh. Aw, so bad for this. Let's see. Are you filling it up?
Not yet. I'll have to finish that.
There are 8 keys here, I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, there are. Okay. Let's do clickety clack clack in front of y'all. Anyways, by this easy